And let's first get your details. The news break that came in early this morning of a drone that was shot down by our forces. The Jammu and Kashmir police have recovered a drone at Aknur sector, very close to the international border. And let's get you the details that we have right now. On your screens are the images of that downed drone. It was carrying also quite a bit of payloads. At least 3 improvised explosive devices weighing 5 kilos were strapped onto the wings of the drone, which was to be assembled and then to be used by terrorists. Our alert forces shot this drone down before terrorists could have succeeded with their mission. Initial probe suggests that it's a made-in-China drone, and some parts are also from Taiwan. This is the first time when a drone carrying a payload has actually been shot down since the incident of drone use by terrorists came to light after the attack on the Jammu Air Base on June 27th. Drones clearly have become a new tool for terrorists in the valley. It's easily available, easy to operate, and also easy to camouflage in the night. Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining us live with more details on this. Kamaljeet, huge win for our forces there, especially keeping in mind how since June 27th, since the incident at the Jammu Air Base, there have been many incidents of drone activity being reported close to the international border.
All it took was an AK-47 to shoot down this particular drone. There was specific information which was available with JKP. This is a 17 kg IED with carrying a payload of 5 kg. This is what our sources have indicated to us. We also believe there's a formal press conference to be done by Jammu Kashmir police in Jammu at around 10:30. What is also significant is that the modus operandi is very evident. There are 2 of its kind. One that we saw in the Air Force Station where IED was dropped on the target. It exploded. The other is obviously the way this particular drone has used IED, which was strapped on to different parts of it, and it was meant to be dropped at a certain location where it could be assembled again and used in Jammu and Kashmir. So on one hand, we're talking about ceasefire, more than 100 days of ceasefire with Pakistan. On the other hand, use of technology, use of drones being utilized. And this is where technology is coming to aid of Pakistan-based terror organization. Even in this particular case, it is suspected that Lashkar-e-Taiba, backed with Pakistan ISM, the army has sent in this particular drone with ID strapped onto it. So clearly, what we're looking at is mounting violence. We've seen encounters now really speeding up in Jammu and Kashmir, most parts of South Kashmir now. And also the other way is about how weapons are being sent, how IDs are being sent using drones. We are also looking at how interceptors and anti-drone guns will be deployed across the international border, especially along with Pakistan.
All right, Kamaljeet, we'll be tracking the latest updates and also the information and statements that come in from officials on this big win and how this drone has been brought down. Kamaljeet, thank you for all those details.